Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Today I have for you fruit for thought. Now, I don't know how much it costs. It'll be on the screen, but you guys know that this is one of my favorite boxes to open. I've actually been sitting on this all weekend and could not wait to sit down to record this. But let's open it up. So I open it up, and this is what I see. And what it is it's a lifestyle box. If you're not aware, it's a lifestyle box that revolves around a fruit of the month. But it has like lifestyle. It also has some food in there. I don't know, just kind of lifestyle things, I guess. What am I trying to get at? Don't know. You know, we've gotten things for the kitchen. We've gotten recipes. I don't know. It's a fun box and it's different. Now, it's not necessarily revolved around a fruit every month, because I know that the box that drew me in finally to get this box, but I actually didn't get this particular box, I saw somebody unbox it, and it was, the theme was Fruit Loops. So that's the box that drew me in. I remember that very specifically. I was like, ooh, I want that. And then it started getting more fruity, I guess. But anyway, let's get into fruit for thought. So again, this is what I see, and it always comes with this little band. I think usually it's tucked in. It's usually not like that, but has a little sticker that says Fruit for Thought, and the paper is always pretty. And then you open it up, and now this box feels a lot lighter than usual. So you get a little card. It says what's in the box, and it does tell you everything that's in the box on the back, but it doesn't give prices. Oh, we've gotten these before too, though. I can see it now. So you get a little hand soap container, and then you get a hand soap that goes with it. Oh, and that's right there on the front. It does say Blossom, which tells me flowers. Let me dig it out. Okay, so here, ooh, that's really pretty. Those are real flowers on the inside. It's not, oh wait, this is nail polish remover. What am I looking at? Hold on. Usually when you get one of these, it comes with a soap. I'm not seeing it off the bat, but I'll get to. Okay, so this, I thought, because it was on the front page here, that this was the soap, but it's not. This is a mint scented nail polish remover. And those flowers are actually on the inside. That's not like a design. You know how sometimes on the inside, there'll be like a design on the inside of like the sticker, and then you could see it through the bottle. That's not what that is. Those are real flowers. That's really cool, and it's in mint. I'm gonna keep this. Oh, it does smell like mint too. So it does have some sort of a safety seal on it. I'm not gonna open that, but I can smell the mint through that. That is awesome, and I actually need fingernail polish remover, so I will be keeping that. That's cool. The next thing I am pulling out is Ambrosia Soap Company. Order at ambrosiasoap.com and get 15% off. Use code FRUIT. Okay, so this is for the soap, and that must be this. Yep. Ooh, peppermint grapefruit foaming hand soap. Totally keeping it. I absolutely love it when we get smell good hand soaps in this bag, or in this box. That smells so good, you guys. I love it. It's mine, keeping it. Alexa, turn off the fan. Okay, so the next thing I am pulling out is a pink grapefruit and mint facial scrub. That's cool. So I'm assuming that this month is mint and grapefruit. Oh, that smells so good. It really, really does. I don't know what I want to do with that though. I have so many that I need to use. Maybe I'll pass it along to one of you guys. Maybe I'll keep it. I don't know. I do love, 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 love scrubs, but, oh, that smells so good. It smells like a margarita. It just smells like a margarita. It smells good. Okay. I don't know if I'm going to keep that or pass it along. I do love scrubs, but I have so many. The next thing I am pulling out is Market List. So it has 50 sheets. It's attached with a magnet. We only have one side of our fridge that is actually magnetized. The front of it is not. So I don't know. I will probably just pass this along to somebody that can use it. I keep all of my notes in my iPad, so I don't necessarily need it. I do like to write things down, but it's not something that I really need. Ooh. Chocolate-filled pink grapefruit. Ruby cacao bar. Oh my goodness. So it's a candy bar, and that is interesting. Pink grapefruit. And that says Choco Love. I misread it. But. Okay, so this is the last thing in the box. This box was a little light this month, but I'm not mad at it. So we got this that I will pass along. Got a candy bar that I'm about to bite into to let you guys know if I like it. We got hand soap and a cartridge for the hand soap that smells really, really good. Fingernail polish remover and a face scrub that I may or may not keep. But let's check out this candy bar and see what it tastes like. It's pink. Oh my goodness. It's pink. And then the front of it just kind of looks like that. Here we go. Ooh. So, on the inside, there is a squirt of something. I'm assuming it's supposed to be grapefruit juice. But I'm not 100% sure. I'm gonna try it again. It's good. It tastes more like white chocolate. And then you have the little burst of grapefruit in the center. So I like it. All right. So this is where I'm getting a little nitty gritty. So what I have decided to do is a mega loyal subscriber giveaway. And I am putting this in the middle of this video. I'm not advertising it. It's not going to be in the title. It's not going to be in the description. And this giveaway is going to be for my mega loyal subscribers. And what I mean by mega loyal subscribers is that I noticed with the conspiracy palette and the controversy palette giveaway, what I noticed was, because I'm such a small channel and I'm able to notice, and I also have OCD, but I was actually going into my statistics and my analytics, and I was noticing that there were very few people that were actually watching the video all the way through. What I noticed was that people, so when you're looking at your analytics and you get like a screen, you can see like the average watch time on your video. And it's funny because, you know, you watch the video, but on the analytics, you notice like a little spike. And so what that tells me is that a lot of people were fast forwarding until they got to the giveaway details. They were watching the giveaway details, and then that was it. So, or people were, the other thing that I noticed is that people were just guessing at what I was asking because they were looking at the other comments and just guessing what I wanted. Some people did it wrong, and I would say something to them. I need to not rant about this, but the point is I noticed that a lot of people were watching under 2 minutes of my video, a lot of them under a minute, and that really hurts my channel. And since I do the giveaways and they're very random as far as like picking the winner or whatnot, I wanted to do a mega loyal subscriber giveaway in this video. And like I said, it's not going to be advertised anywhere. So if you want to get in on this giveaway, you have to watch this video in full. You have to follow the instructions, and that's the only way you're going to be able to be entered in this giveaway. And then that tells me who is really watching my content and paying attention to my content and that really wants to be here for my content. So with that being said, and I'm just gonna briefly show this, I'm not going to go through everything because, you know, then if people are fast forwarding through the thing, then they'll see that I am showing a bunch of items. So I'm just going to flash it to you. So I stuffed this Allure box with some goodies. And the main thing in there is that Violet Voss palette. There's also some lipsticks. There's also a Benefit highlighter. There is a cleanser and a moisturizer and a lip booster. So there is that. That is what you win, or that is what you will win if you get picked for this drawing. What I need you to do is, I want you to tell me about your day in the comments. It needs to be at least a sentence long. It can't be a one word, like my day is fine. Like, it can't be like that. I want you to tell me about your day. And within that sentence, within that paragraph, however long you decide to make the comment, I need you to type in 3 words. It does not have to make sense anywhere in your sentence. All I ask is that you don't put it at the beginning of your sentence, and you don't put it at the end of your sentence, and you don't put the 3 words together. So that way I can see if people are really paying attention. So the words, and like I said, it could be just super random. You can just throw them in anywhere. It may not make any sense at all, but I don't care. Or you can be creative and work them into your sentence to where it does make sense. I don't care how you do it, but again, just not at the beginning and not at the end. And the 3 words are travel, fireplace, and cold. And that's it. That's all you have to do. You know, also throw me a like on this video, and also, you know, you must be subscribed if you are happening to just scroll through and see this and you are not subscribed to my channel. I mean, I do check those things, so there is that, but that is what is going to be, and you know what, and I decided that this is getting really long. I'm sorry, I'm rambling. I have decided that I'm going to do something like this once a month, maybe once every other month. It just depends on how fast I accumulate things, but I do want to make sure that I'm giving back to my mega loyal subscribers. And this is a way that I thought that I could get creative and be able to do that, be able to give back to those that are actually here every single day for the right reasons and do love my content and do, you know, like to interact with me and all of that. So what I'm going to do is I'm also going to let this giveaway go, since it's just like a week away. I'm going to let this giveaway also go until the day before Thanksgiving. And I will actually, when I announce the winners for the Conspiracy and Controversy palette, I will also announce the winner for this. Okay, so I did kind of want to show you guys my room, my makeup room slash my studio. It's not finished yet, but As you can see, we did get it painted, and we did use that pretty purple color, and then there is a window there for natural light. But this is the smallest room in the upstairs. Here, let me see if I can get the whole thing. So this room actually used to be my youngest son, which he is now over here in this room. When his sister moved out, he moved into her larger room. But this is the color of purple that I showed you guys that we were going to go with, and we just kind of have to remove the green trim tape and put some fixtures back on the wall, and then I need to furnish it. So that's what that looks like so far, and I just kind of wanted to give you guys an update since I had mentioned it and I had showed you the paint color, but I never actually got around to showing you the room. So there is that. And now back to our regularly scheduled video. Have a great day. Bye.